We have earlier also discussed this subject, particularly on account of the commitments made in the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. And I am glad to inform you that with the 14th Finance Commission, there are different kinds of grants to the state of Andhra Pradesh which have increased. One is obvious that instead of 32% under the 13th Finance Commission, now the state will get devolution by way of 42%. This will increase the quantum. Additionally, for the panchayats, the municipalities, funds under the SDRF and the NDRF will also be increased, leading to a net increase in the central grants as far as the state is concerned, in addition to the devolutions. With effect from tomorrow, that is 1st April 2015, the Finance Commission has measured the revenue deficit and quantified it. It will be tapered down over the next 5 years. And we do hope that during this period, the state will become self-sufficient in terms of revenue. We have tried in the last few days as much as possible to fulfill the commitments which were made in the Reorganization Act. A significant quantum of money, about 2,300 crores, has been given by way of revenue deficit. Yes. Another 1,000 crores for urban improvement. 500 crores additionally, along with that urban improvement, for capital creation has been given. Then there were some leftover grants of the 13th Finance Commission which were dues to Andhra Pradesh. We are also trying to transmit the CSP compensation. The monies which were committed as a result of the Polavaram project in the last year, that is year ending this evening, 31st March, are being cleared. From tomorrow onwards, next year's grants will become eligible. And therefore, overall under these grants, along with certain tax incentives for setting up industry, which we have already announced that whoever sets up industry in Andhra Pradesh gets 15% additional depreciation and a 15% additional investment allowance. For the current year, some amount for the 7 backward districts of the Rayalaseema area and coastal areas have also been given to the state. Well, the sum total of this becomes significantly large, and I have all the hope that with this assistance and far more to come in the coming year, with the additional revenues available, whatever disadvantageous situation Andhra Pradesh was in after the bifurcation, will substantially try and help the state, which I am sure will recover and establish a model state very soon.
So what about special status, sir?
You see, we are examining.
No, sir, is it a legal commitment or is?
You see, the Finance Commission has said that henceforth there will be no special category states.
So you are not giving special status?
Please,
right?
now, you are not answering. Please allow me to answer. So in view of the provisions of the Act and what the Finance Commission states, we are examining what the situation would be. Thank you.
So the total amount goes up to?
I don't know. You see, these are ongoing things. I am
approximate estimates.
Well, I'll allow Mr. Y.S. Chaudhary, since he has predicted an amount, you'll be very close to it.